Alright, what's up guys? Hope you guys are doing well today. Me, I'm doing wonderful. So, today we are Friday, Feb 13. And today I won again, right? So, Monday I won, Tuesday I lost, and the remaining I won all of them, right? And mind you guys, I only had like 5 to 6 accounts above the buffer, so I was able to request payouts. And I think one of them days I only risked 250. Yeah, yesterday I think so. So yeah, but as of right now, every single account, so I have 10 accounts, every single one of them is above the buffer. So the payouts are gonna be huge, right? Here, I'm gonna show you guys a video on the screen. Alright guys, so we have the goal for end of March. I need 200k, right? That's my goal. So we have February, week 1, 2, 3, 4. We have March, 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Obviously, week 1 I made 0 because I was still building the buffer and the account. But week 2 we have 16k and $600 CAD and payouts already. So yeah, and mind you guys, this was only like 5 to 6 accounts, and some days I was risking 250 and not 500. But now, as of right now, for week 3, everything is above the buffer and we have 10 accounts. So yeah, as you guys seen by the video, this is my board challenge on the whiteboard, and every single end of the week I'll update you guys on how much I made and how much closer we are to the goal, right? And yeah, by the end of the March we'll see what's gonna happen, right? Anyway, as of payout here, first of all, let me show you guys Trade Sinker. If you guys didn't check it out, check out the short. I just posted a short. So today we made around, well, we made 7.2k USD. And like I said yesterday, everything is above the buffer already. So I'll be receiving 745, 700, 700, 715, 715 minus 10% fee. For take profit, I'll receive the full amount, same thing, minus 20% fees. So yeah, if you guys want to calculate it, but it really doesn't matter. Now let me show you, can I show you this? Yeah. The yesterday's trade 488 is still pending, so whatever. So it's gonna be 488 plus, so let's add all of this, right? Plus 488 plus 612, right? Minus 10%. Then for take profit, it's already submitted, it's already on the way to Wise, and just taking some time. It's whatever though, right? At least I know it's coming. If you guys want to check the dates, it's right there. I have 3k and I have another 2.1k USD on the way, right? So if we add all of this minus the fees, bim, 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 it turns out to be a 16.6k. Okay, wait. It turns out to be 1600 and 600. Bruh, I don't know how to say it in English. Anyway, you guys seen it. 16k and $600 CAD, right? So yeah, okay, let's remove this. By the way, thank you guys. We have a nice video here that's popping with views, so I appreciate that. Okay, connections. Turn off. Beautiful. Let's log out of this. Paper trade. So today. By the way guys, the next video will be on Tuesday because Monday is a bank holiday, so no video. Alright, simple as that. Session highs and low. Do I see anything else? Not really. Price is very, yesterday it dropped, hella dropped, right? then we just start chopping around, you know, slow price action. Everything looks great, perfect. Make trading simple, right? All right, market open, what can I see? We didn't sweep anything until, all right, we didn't sweep anything until 9:41. We swept London lows, and then what? Strong reaction, strong reversal to the upside, right? Now for the people trading inverse, they probably took something like that, which was very clean. But I don't trade inverse, so I don't care, right? So I was still waiting. I didn't get any retraced, any nothing. Perfect, right? Then what happened? 10:47, 9:48. What happened? We sweep London high, right? Perfect. So now I can build the context off of that, right? So I still need the displacement to see what's gonna happen. Strong displacement to the downside. Perfect. What can I see? We create a bearish fair value gap. Now, do I care that we have bullish fair value gaps here? No. Why? What just happened? We reversed off London highs, right? So I just go with the context, right? I align my trade with the context. Why would I try to predict another reversal when I can just trade with the trend, right? Anyway, what else can I see? We just inversed this bullish 1 minute fair value gap, right? So as of right now, we have this unfilled, this unfilled. We still mark them because price could react, and I'll show you guys how I avoided, I wouldn't say a loss, but a break-even day. Okay, beautiful. Let's keep on going. So we just inversed this gap, right? Now we are respecting this gap, right? This bullish fair value gap. Do I care? Not really. What can I see? I can see we created another bearish fair value gap along with context, right? Now, should I take it? Well, first of all, I need confirmation, right? We have two gaps. But second of all, if I have to take a trade, if price has to retrace somewhere, where is my stop loss the most safe at? To these highs, right? So of course I'm not going to take this gap. It's just, you know, experience, I guess. So here, bang, bang. Now this looks very good, right? Fast forward, 9:53, I got filled. Beautiful, I'm in. 1, 2, price retraced, 3 minute. Strong speed and efficiency. Price goes in deeper, retrace into my gap. That's so sus. Retraced into this bearish gap. And then strong displacement lower, right? Beautiful. Now, I need to keep in mind, what can I see here? 950 to 953. We are respecting this zone, right? Right. So I guess if really I want to play it safe, technically, yes, we are respecting the zone. But aligned with context and everything, I took this trade, right? Anyway, 956. Then I was like, my TP's right there, guys. Maybe like something like this. I don't know. I posted a short if you guys want to check it out. So price is just chopping around. I'm like, am I really going to risk my trade just to get 1K profit? No. We're obviously holding this gap and there's something going on, right? So I'm like, I'm just going to close the trade. So that's why I closed at 700. As soon as 958 closed, so it closed right there, I probably made a 1.7 today. Still very nice. I closed the trade and I was actually right. Just after, bang, we go all the way up. Then price just goes in, chops around, and bang, all the way up. So it's nice that I was right. I predicted, okay, here, price go displace lower with speed and efficiency, right? But we're barely breaking this. I'm not saying candles going forward, right? Okay, 958. I'm not taking any chances. Close the trade. Doesn't matter. I missed out on 300 across 10 accounts. Doesn't really matter. Still grateful. I made 700. So yeah, that was basically the recap. Let's remove everything. So far, so good. Week 1, I won every single day. This week, I lost only one day. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the recap. And I'll see you guys Tuesday.